Now we move to the second part of chapter 12, the reading comprehension parts, and today's passage is about the sun. Luckily enough, we have Natalia with us, and she's going to read the passage for you. Natalia, would you please start reading?
Sure thing. Reading comprehension. The sun. Pre-reading warm-up questions. What do you know about the sun? What's the name of the galaxy that our sun belongs to? The sun is a star. The sun is at the center of the solar system. The sun is the largest object in the solar system. It's more than 99.8% of the mass of the solar system. More than 1 million Earths could fit inside the sun. From Earth, the sun looks like a yellow ball in the sky. A long time ago, people didn't know what the sun was. Many people told stories about the sun. People in many countries told stories about the sun. In some stories, people said the sun was a god. Some people gave names to the sun. The Greeks named it Helios. The Romans named it Sol. The name solar system comes from the Roman name Sol. The sun is very hot. On the surface, it's about 5,510 degrees Celsius. That's equal to about 11,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The inside of the sun is even hotter. The core of the sun is 15 million degrees Celsius. That's 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. The light from the sun is very bright. People must not look directly at the sun. Looking directly at the sun will hurt your eyes. People need the sun's heat and light to live. Animals need the sun's heat and light to live. Plants need the sun's heat and light to live. Plants make food with the sunlight. People and animals eat the plants. Plants also use the sun to make oxygen. People and animals need to breathe oxygen. Today people do not tell stories about the sun. Today people do not think the sun is a god. But people know that the sun is necessary for life on earth.
Thank you, Natalia, very much for your reading. And now let's move to the questions. We have only 3 questions. First question says, according to the passage, which of the following statement is or are true? Number 1, the sun is over 1,000,000 times brighter than the earth. Number 2, some people used to think the sun was a god. Number 3, the sun's surface is cooler than its core. And here we come to the options. We have number 1 only, 2 only, 3 only, 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only. So what do you think?
I guess it's 2 and 3 only.
Right, you are. Statement number 2 and statement number 3 are true about the passage. Let's move to the second question. The main idea of the second paragraph is to explain what the sun is, what the sun looks like, how people reacted to the sun, who the Greeks and Romans were, who did not know what the sun was. What do you think?
How people reacted to the sun.
That's right, because in this paragraph, some people considered the sun to be a god. So the right answer is number C, how people reacted to the sun. Final question, in line 10, core most closely means center, gas, oxygen, surface, temperature.
Center.
Of course, core is closest in meaning to the word center. So the right answer is number A. Thank you, Natalia, and see you on the next chapter.